Dear students, hope you are all well and healthy. We are discussing class 7 English here for summative exam 2. I have already uploaded summary of the lesson 8 and also discussed the activities up to 9 in the previous video. You might have watched that. Today we are going to start from activity 10. Okay. So here match the words in column A with their meaning in column B. This is simple matching. This is the A side, this is the B side. Number 1, realm. Where is 1? 1. So answer is the E, kingdom. 2, ceaseless. Where is 2? 2. So F, endless is the answer. 3, pale. 3, 3. B, dull or whitish in color. 4, grief. 4, 4, 4, A. So deep sorrow is the answer. 5, implode. 5, 5, 5, 5. D, begged. 6, gloomy. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. C, dark or depressing. So these are the answer. Okay. So this is the A side, this is the B side. Now come to activity 11. But before answering it, you have to know what is homophone. Homophone is nothing but the same sound. The words with the same sound and different spelling are actually called the homophones. Okay. Make sentences with the following pairs of words to show the difference in their meanings. Very simple sentence. A, meet. Meet means to see. I am going to meet my friend soon. Meat. This meat is actually flesh of animals. We don't like to eat meat of any animal, or the vegetarians don't eat meat. B, wandered. Wandered means actually to roam about. I wandered among the trees of pine forest in Diga last year. Wandered, surprised. We wondered when we saw him to play on sitar so superbly. Now come to C. Whole. Whole is entire portion. The COVID-19 has broke out in the whole world. Whole. This is very common word to you. So it don't need to explain. This hole in the wall is made by a mouse. D. Leap. Leap to jump. He found a kangaroo to leap upon the ground in Australia. Lip, this is also a common word to you. His lower lip is itching. Now come to the next one. E, seize. Both the rival countries have ceased firing at the borders. Seize means here stop. Seize, to grab or capture. A lot of brown sugar was seized last year in Sikkim. F, throne. This is one type of big decorated chair type for kings or emperors. The Mughals were on the throne of Delhi when the British came in India. Thrown. The baby has thrown the ball out of the open window. Prey. Prey means to hunt. The hunter is trying to prey a game bird in the jungle. Pray. You know this word. It is very common word too. You have heard word the prayer line. Everybody should pray to the God Almighty to be out of any danger. H. Tested. Tested means examined. Only those who will be tested negative for COVID-19 will be allowed to participate in cricket match. Tested. It is also very common word to you. When I tasted the new chocolate bar, I was thrilled. Now come to activity 12. Solve the word puzzle by putting suitable letters in the blank boxes. You will find the words in the text. This is the puzzle. These boxes are actually blank. Okay, I have already filled them up. So these are the answers. Okay, the letters within the box are the answers. I am reading out this. Blossom, footfall, companion, crops, plants, neem, scepter, depth. Here is maiden. Here is leap, plunge, lonely. Here is girdle. Here is grip. Okay. Now come to modals. What is modals? Modals. The words which are used to indicate possibility, ability, permission, request, wish, probability, emphasis, etc. are known as modals. Example: must, may, might, could, will. These are the examples. Keep in mind, you have to keep this in mind. Number one, several modals can be used to express the same mood or mode. Number two, most of the modals don't express any sure fact. Number three, modals are followed by the first form of the verb. Okay, let's check. Here come, I must finish my homework before going to school. So must, it is followed by finish. So this is the first form of the finish. Okay. Now come. Generally, can and could are used to express ability. Can, could, may and might to express possibility. Should and must to express duty or emphasis. Would, could, will to make a request. May, shall, can, could to ask for permission. And should, can and could are used to give suggestions. Okay. Activity 13A. Fill in the blanks with appropriate modals from the list given below. One modal may be used more than once. List: may, would, will, should, must, can and could. So these are the answer. Underlined words are the answer. A. I must finish my homework before going to school. So must is the answer. B. He can give you a solution. Can. C. Rajesh planned that he would make a kitchen garden. Would. D. He could help me if he wished. Could. E. We must save trees for a better future. Must. F. The teacher expects that all the students will pass the examination. Will. G. Students should treat their teachers with respect. Should. H. It may rain today. Okay. So the underlined modals are the answers. Now come 13B. Fill in the blanks with the negative forms of appropriate modals. Okay. It is very easy. Just add a not to the modal. A. I can't help you. I am sorry. B. Your bed is ready. Won't you lie down now? Won't means will not. Now come to C. One shouldn't go for swimming when the sea is rough. Now E. They wouldn't be able to supply the materials on time. Okay. So these are the answers. No more today. Take care and stay healthy.